Rosie's given me the lists. Okay, so we haven't got as much done as we wanted to. It's been really busy. Life's just gotten on top of us. So we are going to get cracking today. We've got the list. Rosie's given me the lists. So we're going to get on with it. You're going to go in the bathroom?
Yeah, neither of us really want to show you guys this. But we've got to be brave and look at the problem and deal with it. So this is what has happened over the last year. This is the problem in the roof. So you can see that there's water damage.
Yeah,
And
we're going to...
the worst bit is here.
Okay.
So you can see the bubbling, so the leak's definitely worst here.
Yeah, we're going to have to...
In fact, I know there's a sheet upstairs, and I reckon this will be where the wrinkles are.
Yeah.
See that one?
Actually, not too bad. Just up...
No, it's not as bad as you thought it was, but the job's quite big to fix it. So let's show you what we've got to do.
Right. Just replace maybe that bit of plasterboard there. Replace that plasterboard. It should be okay.
Yeah, that's for in here, but we need to deal with the source of the problem up here. Right, let's go up into that cobwebby space.
Into the cave of doom.
Right. So, as you can see, the roof is in need of some TLC. The worst bit is here. Right, so Dave, what do you think we're going to need to do?
Right, we're going to need to take all the tiles off and replace all of the lats.
Yeah, if you have a look here, you can see all of them are damaged in some way.
Luckily the chevrons are not too soft, so that's good. They're a little bit damp.
And the worst leak here, can you take that for a sec? The worst bit's over here, isn't it? So you can see it's so maybe, I don't think it's because it's worst here. I think it's because the roof has a slight slant, the ceiling.
Yeah, so it's going
So it's all going down there.
down there and underneath the plastic.
Okay, well we know what we're dealing with.
Yeah, we know what we're doing with. Now we've just got to measure and count up how many of these lats we need.
Yep.
Be safe, I reckon 380. As well.
Sure we don't need two people?
That's okay. I got this. I got it.
Just it will be not be very accurate with it.
Doesn't need to be massively accurate.
Okay. I don't know what we need that one for. Is this to do? Surely that's not going to be 4 cm.
No, but if we measure the height as well, then we can.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't know if that's what you were planning. I'm glad to hear it. You just have.
Just have to remember Pythagoras' theorem now.
I know it. A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
2020.
Okay.
Okay.
And how far apart are the patterns? Is it 9? I thought that's what Raphael said.
There's no good ones really to take a decent measurement from.
No, well you can measure a few and we can figure it out. There's some further, the higher ones are pretty good.
Yeah, 9 centimetres.
Okay. We're going to change the layout a little bit for this end because, well, we have plans for this area. This area here we use a lot in the summer because we have the shade from the oak tree over here and the shade from the barn here. So when it's very hot, this is a popular place. At the moment, it ends up being part of the parking, so we're going to change that. So what we want to do is take this fencing out here and put some fencing in from the corner of the barn over there to separate off this section. I don't want to get electrical. And then have a car parking area.
Can you shout?
So basically we want to get the cars over here and then have a fence around it, and we want it to be quite a secure fence so that people can let their dogs free in the field and not worry about them going out onto the road.
Yeah. That should be nice. Quite a nice big car parking area here.
Yes, also because I wanted to add pitches this year so people can bring their own tent, it will be easier for access for that, so the pitches will be pretty much where you're standing.
Oh.
And maybe one over there, and then because we have the fence it will be easier for us to put an electric hookup.
Yeah, potentially, yeah.
Not potentially, we'll have an electric hookup. What, poo? Yeah, yes, there's sheep poo everywhere. Thank you for fertiliser. There's a lamb!
Got a lamb.
Black one. Don't go too close. Rest of the whole buggered off, look, because her lamb's having a rest. Hello. The sheep are scared of us. Oh. Look, yeah, Mum's like, come on.
Oh, it's shivering.
Oh, can't be more than a few days old. Okay, we're buggering off.
Right, let's go. Okay.
Right, so Dave has a good idea of what's on the list now.
Yes, I know what's on the list.
And
The lists.
we've had a look at the bathroom and we got an idea of what we need to do for the job now, which you saw, and we bought, well, I've put an order in for all the materials we need to fix the roof.
Yes, we have, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a bigger job than we thought, but also there's less damage than we thought because we realised we may as well redo the entire roof. So it's going to be a big job. So we're going to probably wait till March to actually do it.
Yep. So we've got all the bits we need.
Well, we haven't. They're on their way.
They're on their way, yeah. But we know what we need,
Yeah.
and it's on its way.
As well as some fence posts so we can get started on the car park. So hopefully that's what we'll be doing next week.
And it was a lot cheaper than we thought it would be.
Oh yes, yeah, no, that was really good because I thought we'd only be able to afford the stuff for the roof, but we've been able to afford some things for fencing as well. So, and we can get on with that, and that's what we'll be doing next week.
Yeah. So.
All quite positive.
Happy days.
Yeah.
And yeah, so next week, who knows?
Yeah, well, we don't. The weather's not looking great, but Dave insists that fencing is okay to do in the rain, even if it's not comfortable.
Yeah, I think the fencing
But the
will be
roof
a lot
definitely
better.
not. We're gonna have to wait for better weather for
Yeah.
that. But the fence, yeah, we can have a go at that.
Well, yeah, because it's much better to do that when the ground's soft.
Yeah. Anyway, we're whittering on because we can tell you all this next week.
Yeah. So we'll see you next week.
Yeah.
I do.